class. I know you already have a guidebook on how to format reports, but I thought a brief overview might be helpful.
A report starts on the title page. At a bare minimum, you want to give your report a title and a list of all your authors. You can directly center this within the page or shift it slightly up so that it's 3/4 centered upon the page. The next step is your executive summary. Notice that it has a title and it starts on its own page. Like all paragraphs in a business report, the paragraphs within the executive summary are not indented. In total, the executive summary should not be more than 1 page or 10% the length of the entire document, whichever comes first. The next page is the table of content. Every header and subheader within your report needs to have its page number indicated in the table of content. Notice that the table of content is completely left and right aligned so that the width of the entire page is taken up within the margins. Note also that your table of content starts on its own page. Next is the list of figures. If you ever write a report in which you do not have any tables or figures, you can skip this page. However, if you do have any sort of visual representation within your report, you need to have a list of figures that is set up just like the table of content, on its own page, fully left and right aligned within the margins, that lists each table and figure by name and indicates its page number. Finally, after all of those pages, you can actually get into writing your report. The body of the report itself will not start every section on a new page. So up to this point, every time that we've started a new section, it's got its own unique page. But now, we just put all the text back to back to back. The body of the report can be as long as it needs to be. Here in the sample page, the headers align with what you would see in a SWOT report. You can customize the headers to align with whatever type of report you're writing. Notably though, it's very rare to see a business report without an introduction section that gives some background on the purpose of the document. If you do need to cite any references, be sure that your report also includes a reference list. Reference lists start on their own pages and use a hanging indent to align citations. So, those are the general guidelines for formatting a report. If you have any questions, let me know.